Hey there, smartphone fans! If you're considering the iPhone 16 Pro, you're probably curious about the powerhouse inside it. Let's talk about the A18 Pro processor. First off, the A18 Pro is Apple's latest and greatest chip. Built on a 3-nanometer process, it's more efficient and faster than anything we've seen before. What does that mean for you? Well, apps open in the blink of an eye, multitasking is a breeze, and gaming, it's smoother than ever. Now let's dive into some real-world examples. Imagine editing a 4K video on your phone with no lag, or playing the most graphics-intensive games without a hitch. That's what the A18 Pro brings to the table. And with enhanced machine learning capabilities, everything from Face ID to photo processing is quicker and smarter. But wait, there's more. The A18 Pro isn't just about speed, it's also about efficiency. Thanks to its advanced architecture, the iPhone 16 Pro offers better battery life. So you get more power without sacrificing usage time. For tech enthusiasts, here's a fun fact. The A18 Pro features a 6-core CPU and a 5-core GPU. This combo ensures you get top-notch performance, whether you're streaming, gaming, or just browsing. So, should you upgrade? If you want the best performance, the latest tech, and a seamless user experience, the A18 Pro processor in the iPhone 16 Pro is definitely worth considering. That's all for now. If you found this info helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, happy shopping.